So this is a video about how to change colors. We've already started one square and I have my second yarn color here waiting. So before you change colors, you need to do all of the steps of a square until the last piece. So we're yarning over and completing our first half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Drop your initial color, color A we'll call it, and now loop over color B. Pull that through to complete the stitch. Now you can see that the color A is complete, but you have your second color ready to go. Give that color a little tug to make sure the square is tight. And these are the tails of the yarn that we're going to crochet over. So continue working your square. So you're going to slip stitch over your tail and your color A. And now you're going to just do your chain 2 and your first half double crochet and your second half double crochet. So now you can see your first square in the new color. The changeover is pretty seamless. You can't really see the initial change. You might want to tug the tail a little bit. And now let's do one more square in the new color before we change back. You can see here that the yarn, you can't really see it. It's underneath the second color. So you can drop that tail. You don't need to crochet over that anymore because we don't need it. You can just weave it in. So we're going to crochet over our color A. So we're going to start our half double crochet. Now you get to the final half double crochet and drop that yarn and pick up your color A yarn. Yarn over and pull it through. And now you'll just continue on in your original color. So we're finishing up our square, and let's take a look at, this is the right side. You can see the squares are neat and organized. On the back, this is where all of your yarn tails will be. This is considered the wrong side. Make sure you keep all of your yarn tails on one side of your work.